BFX has been Australia's trusted supplier of education and commercial furniture solutions for over 40 years. We specialise in the design, manufacture and supply of education, library and office furniture to schools, government and the private sector across Australia and internationally. We're committed to providing better service, better products and a better future for our customers.
We provide an exceptional customer experience, from initial consultation through to installation and ongoing aftercare and support. Our local, expert consultants throughout Australia are supported by our specialist logistics team. We create innovative spaces tailor-made to your unique requirements. From 3D space planning and custom furniture solutions, to colour consultation and professional advice, we do it all.
We maintain a strong commitment to sustainable products and practices. We achieve this through ethical sourcing and continuous improvement in the management of raw materials, energy and resources, as well as waste minimization and recycling. Our supply chain is certified and we are proud to hold furniture supply contracts that include the Queensland, Victoria and New South Wales governments and local government associations in Queensland and Western Australia.
BFX is committed to the superior design, production and supply of quality Australian-made products. We offer a huge range, independently certified for quality and safety, backed by industry-leading warranties. We invest heavily in product research and development, collaborate with universities and work closely with education leaders to ensure our furniture embraces modern learning. We have transformed thousands of schools and businesses. Let's take a look at some of our successes.
BFX is committed to making the purchasing process seamless. Whether you're furnishing a new facility or upgrading an existing one, our expert team can provide tailored solutions to meet your specific needs. We invite you to partner with BFX and discover the BFX difference.